this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pretty much stop spam calls on your Xiaomi phone. So this comes with Android 14 I believe, and this says block calls from unidentified callers. You can just turn this on right here. So going down to your phone, go to the top left, the bars, go to settings, go on down under here. There should be an option for blocked numbers. Go to unknown, block calls from unidentified callers. So you can turn that off right there or on. And then you can add a number to your block list too. Just type in the number right there and you should be able to block the phone number. Or I believe you can do this under the top. Oh, here's caller ID and spam too. We can go to filter spam calls, prevent suspected calls from disrupting you. Turn this on. And you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.